everybody, it's Princess, back with another tutorial on Mixer. This one's actually going to be tailored to customizing your profile picture. So back on my Chrome, you're actually going to see that I already have a picture here, but for people who don't have one, it's going to look like this little robot here that actually appears in chat all the time. So you're going to see, some people have customized pictures and some people don't. It's completely up to you what you want to put. You don't even have to put your face, like a lot of people don't, and it's okay. So here you're going to click on your blue avatar, or if you already have a picture and you need a refresher, you click that and you're going to click Manage Channel. Then you're going to click on Customize tab out of the 4 tabs that are here. You're going to click this icon here. And then you're going to click on the picture that you want. A window is actually going to pop up for you. You don't see it on my screen right now. So I'm selecting the picture that I want. Then this window within your browser is going to pop up. And you're going to just basically hover over where you want. So if I just wanted to put just my eyes here, I could do that, but I don't. So I'm actually going to select over the whole entire thing here. And I'm going to click Upload. It's a little cache issue, that's why it's not showing up here, but it's actually saved because obviously this is not RIP here. And you want to make sure it's the size here, 512 by 512 pixels. That way it appears, because if not, it's just not going to save and it's not going to register. So there is no other save button. Once you uploaded it, that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions or concerns, let me know. If you have a tutorial video that you would like to see me do, please also drop that comment below, like, and share. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial or live stream. Bye!